So I'm going to share today a bit of my story, hoping that it can make a difference in somebody's life. So let me start with an incident that happened with me somewhere around 10 to 12 years ago. I was part of Cisco at that time, and I had my very first trip to US. And guess what? What happens when people go to US? They have a great time in Vegas. I was with my friends. I had a wonderful opportunity to go to places there. However, I was one of the persons who had selected to do a crazy activity, and I was getting married after 2 months. So apparently I was crazy enough, okay, once when my life was on track, I was seeing things were going well with the planning, and very happily in love, I planned to go for skydive. And while we were signing up documents over there, giving consent, because it's that time it was world's highest skydive. So at that time when we were giving our consents, 2 of the people from my group passed off. They were like, we don't want to go for it. One girl, she backed out when we were doing the practice. She said, no, I can't do it. What if, because they said that, you have to stick together, and just in case the parachute doesn't open. And she's like, why did you say that statement? And she said, I'm not going. So we were left with just 3 people, out of which I had no reason to go, but I did. But while I was in the jet, and the first person took the fall with the trainer, that's when my life started coming in front of my eyes. ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा. I'm on a wonderful job, getting such a great payment, and I have everything in the life that I could have. I'm a wonderful guy that finally I had manipulated to marry me, because I'm one crazy person out there. And why am I going for this? And just when I was having that thought, the second person took the leap, and my trainer, I started giving him my hands up in this way that, I need to stop. And he started giving me high five. Yes, we are going. And I went, no, I don't want to go. And yes, Iram, awesome. I like your energy, Iram. I like your energy. And that was the day I realized people find it difficult to differentiate whether you are freakingly scared or happy if they don't know you well. So if you're from a very different culture, they think ye iski khushi hai. But I was actually having a panic attack. And I took that fall. That was the best thing in my life. Best thing in my life, that I could see the horizon. This was my first skydive. That I could see the horizon. I couldn't scream because I was so busy watching what it was. A dream that we all would have all our lives, to fly. And it doesn't matter that there was a man attached to my back, but still, I was flying. I was in the air. There was nothing to care, and I think it felt like lots of minutes, but actually it was just hardly a couple of seconds. And when I landed, I thanked God that I experienced it. And honestly, when I was landing, it was just probably fraction of a second when I got the scare, okay, what if I couldn't land well? But the whole experience was amazing. This episode has taught me that it's okay when we take steps and we are scared. And while you're about to take that leap, you would always feel that ये मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? इतना बड़ा risk क्यों ले रहा हूँ? इतना बड़ा risk क्यों ले रही हूँ? And you would have all those thoughts. But once you are in that process, you will realize once your dreams have attached with it, that it's a beautiful experience to be. And guess what I did again? I got married after 2 months, as mentioned. And I went again to skydive after a year. Again to Vegas, again to the same place. And everyone was so surprised that पहले ही करना इतना मुश्किल था. Why did you go for the second time? अब तो शादी हो गई है. अब तो खत्म हो गया सब कुछ. अब तो in-laws आ गए. अब तो एक husband आ गया. तो अब मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ कि maybe God has another plan, so let me feel it again.